straight as possible, slightly tilted upward, but not being tilted in one or other direction. And the less you think about it, the easier it is for you to decide, is it okay or is it not okay. Where shall my fingers point to? Straight towards the head. If my fingers start to drag outward a little bit, I know it's tilted in this direction. In this dog is not that easy because he's so small. We're going to check in the bigger dogs in a moment. But first of all, can I have the dog spun a little bit closer to me? Perfect. Where are my bony landmarks in the pelvis? What do I have here?
Iliac crest.
The ilium, the wings of the ilium. Where do I find my SI joints?
Your which?
My joints. Perfect. I try to identify the whole ilium, not only the tip, but the whole ilium. Sorry, not only, that's the way it's supposed to be. Not only the tip, but the whole ilium. And then I do some pressure on the medial aspect of the ilium. So I cannot reach my SI joint, but what I can check, is it painful? How would you like that to feel while checking? Do you remember we checked the rib joint? How did they feel?
Firm with a teeny bit of spring.
They were giving.
Okay.
And painless, pain-free. And this one is firm with not a lot of spring and pain-free. I always like to go. There's the surface on the table with the yoga mat is firm, isn't it? But it gives a little bit, whereas the table per se doesn't give it all. So I don't want to hit the table here. I want to have the yoga mat. There will not be a lot of give, nothing compared like the rib joint. But still, where are my points? Here, I go inward and push downward on the standing dog. And it should be as symmetric as possible. So I try to compare the bony landmarks. Position the dog square. Would you please not be pissed at me? Everything's okay. Perfect. Square if possible. It is not possible here because he doesn't like square stance. If I could see his face, I could see his mind. Dorsal parts of the ilium, sit bone. And I want to compare those. And I don't look. Just touch it and then you might look. And then you can see that this is not square at all. Would you like to come with me? Test it.